Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming rights and picking your track. This saves time later. Open YouTube Studio and locate your chosen song or download from the audio library because verified sources prevent strikes. Once done, collect proof of license or a download receipt and copy the track metadata, title, artist, license type. Keep that handy for descriptions and claims. Make sure you understand whether sync rights are needed. If so, secure written permission before you import audio into your editor. Now import the licensed audio into your editing timeline and place it under your primary footage. Trim the track to match your video's pacing and use crossfades at edits so transitions feel natural. This prevents jarring jumps. Automate ducking or manually keyframe volume under speech because intelligibility matters for watch time. Once aligned, normalize or adjust gain so music sits well. Aim to keep music noticeably lower than voice. Make sure to preview the full sequence to catch sync drift. Finally, export with recommended YouTube settings and upload your video. In the description, paste the track metadata and license statement. Include timestamps where music starts and ends because transparency reduces claims. Choose the right visibility and monetization settings if allowed. If you receive a Content ID claim or block, submit a dispute with your license proof and written permissions. Provide timestamps and the source. If processing stalls, recheck file format and try a different export preset. Many issues come from codec mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.